Hey y'all, today I'm gonna do a banana hair mask, but this time I'm doing it with ghee. So I've already done a video like this before, way back in the day, not really, like a couple years ago. But I wanted to do my own take on it while I was living or staying in Sri Lanka. So here it is. With a slight variation. Today I'm gonna use bananas, ghee, which we're using in our challenge, my hair challenge, and extra virgin olive oil. Now you can use any other oil that is available to you, and you can also use a oil mix that you may have made as well, but today we're using ghee and we're using extra virgin olive oil. My hair is a lot healthier than I thought it would be too, so I think the ghee really worked with regard to giving my hair some more moisture, my hair a little bit more manageable as well. So hopefully over time this is something I can do. And the ghee, I cannot smell it, which is good, yo, when I did ghee by itself. Okay, so now I'm gonna add everything to my blender. I'm gonna add the ghee, olive oil, and the bananas. Olive oil, I am adding the ghee. I'm going to blend. It's nice and smooth. I'm gonna strain it. Okay, let's use a cheesecloth instead. Alright, so here's a cheesecloth. After using a cheesecloth, this is what is left behind. You don't want those little things stuck in your hair because you won't be able to get it out. See how this, y'all, while trying to squeeze this out, my hands are actually very soft from just squeezing this out of the cheesecloth. My hands are already moisturized, so I just can imagine what my hair is gonna feel like. Can't wait to try it. Y'all, it's all done, and this is what it looks like. It looks like pudding. Let's put this in our hair. In Sri Lanka, checking to see if my video is clear. In Sri Lanka, I made a mask. It's a modified hair mask. I decided to use ghee in a mask instead of raw on my hair because it smells, but it's so powerful to be used on your hair. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just gonna section my hair real quick and I'll be back. I'll put on this section of my hair and then I will do the rest off camera. Guys, you know how it is. So let's see how it looks. So this is it. Feels good, guys. It feels so smooth. I already know this is going to be amazing. Alright guys, so I'm completely finished and this is what it looks like. It's really, oh, it feels so good in my hair. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna wrap it up in plastic bag, leave it for 2 hours, wash it out and condition, and then style it as well so that I can get some clean hair. Hopefully I got everything in the back there, and hopefully it helps my hair because my hair has been so dry. So let's get this done. Alright, hey guys, so I already washed my hair out and conditioned it. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know, it feels moisturized. I've strained it with this cheesecloth. There's still like little particles of white stuff. I don't know where it came from, but it feels moisturized, but not as moisturized as I know my hair can be sometimes. So maybe I need a few more treatments of it. I don't know how to play around with it a little bit, but I'll definitely do it again. Now, if any of you are going to try it out, let me know. I also need to still style my hair. I don't know what these white things are. I don't know. So I'm now stuck with some white things in my hair, and I'm not happy about that. But let me know what you guys think if you're going to try out this mask with the banana, ghee, and olive oil. And if you add anything else, so I added a little bit, oh, just a little note. I added a little bit of coconut oil. Not sure how I feel about that yet. And I added some water as well, just to make it a little bit thinner, so it'll be easier to squeeze out of the cheesecloth as well. So just take a note of that, and it was easier to blend as well once I added some more water too. Alright, so if you guys want to know what I am using in my hair right now, so this is an oil mix that I made back in China, and I happened to bring some with me to Sri Lanka, thankfully, so I had some oil, which is fine. So this has like my infused oil that I made with fenugreek seeds, and then I added some castor oil before I left China, and then I added some coconut oil a little bit when I came here to Sri Lanka, and then I topped it up with olive oil. So both the bottle is actually full. So it's an old Jamaican black castor oil. This has like tons of oils in there. So my hair is still damp. Oils to my hair now, and then I will leave-in conditioner from Main Choice, which I've had for a while now, and half of it spilled all over my bag, so I lost half of it. So I don't know what I'm going to use for a leave-in conditioner as yet when I run out of it. Hopefully I leave Sri Lanka before I run out, but who knows at this point. I haven't really even used much leave-in conditioner, but just for this video I will use, because I've mostly been using just oil in my hair. For this hair, I don't know if any of you use this one, but I've had this one for some time. I got it in, I think I bought it in Hawaii a few years back. Main choice. Leave-in, and it's a detangler as well. You can use it to wash your hair. Alright, so I'm going to use this in my hair and braid my hair. Alright, so it's been a day since I braided my hair up. So now I'm going to unbraid my hair. I don't know if it's fully dried yet, but let's see. I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so my hair is fully unbraided. So this is what it looks like after the deep conditioning mask, and y'all, I think I'm gonna do another one, or maybe next week I'll do another one. So today's Thursday, maybe next week Wednesday I will be able to do another one. But I love how my hair feels. It feels smooth, it feels moisturized. So when I first washed it and I showed you all my hair when my hair was just cleansed, I wasn't too happy about it. Like, it was okay. I'm alright with it now. I really like this. What do you guys think? My hair is shiny, it is bouncy, it is manageable, it's silky smooth. I really like it, and I hope you like it too. I hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments below if you try it out.